Good morning. Today is Saturday. Oh, Lordy. It's probably 7 in the morning. JJ was sleeping just fine. I actually woke up before she did. Sit. Stay. Stay. So I woke up before she did, checking my Facebook and whatever else. Russ's phone gets a message. His phone is loud. Why is his phone so loud? I don't know why. It's like all the way up. Just loud. Anyways, because it is so loud, the JJ wakes up thinking, it's an alarm, time to get up. The heck? Oh, I thought I had. Anyways, so she's up, which is fine. I was awake. But why does Russ's phone have to be so loud? So loud. Oh yeah, I gotta clean the Herbie cage. Russ has purchased me the Quick Trip white chocolate chip macadamia nuts cookies. I haven't, since surgery, things that are too sweet, too sugary or whatever, haven't been agreeing with me. So, but slowly I'm able to intake small amounts of things like cookies and sweet, little sweets. I'm not saying it's a bad thing that I can't eat sweets like before, but these are my favorite cookies. And it would be nice to have a cookie once in a while. Like, even if it takes me all day to eat this cookie, I think I'll be a happy camper. So anyways, now I'm gonna go back to bed. Okay, bye. Good morning. Yes, it is still morning. It's barely, oh no, it's not. It's 12:26 now. But I've been up since whenever I started recording. So probably about 7:30. I got this cookie. I'm still working on it. So, I'm gonna put it down. I'm going to Walgreens, pick up a few things. I'm going to Walgreens because it's closest to me. And for what I need, I don't want to deal with like Walmart and busier places. Just, I am loving that leave-in conditioner. My hair is dry. I showered even, conditioned. My hair feels soft, bouncy curls. That's what I want. Soft, bouncy curls. I've got them. Got him. Got him. All right. I'm going. Okay, bye. Well, Walgreens is a bust, which is surprising because all I need deodorant, which they have under lock and key. I need a clear peel-off face mask for an experiment, which they have no face masks that I saw, and baby Benadryl. They probably have that, but I didn't bother to look because I was distraught by the other things. I wasn't distraught. I was discouraged by the other things they did not have there. So, cleaning off. It's raining, which is better than snowing. But now I have to make a trip to the Walmart, which I was going to try to avoid, but alas, I cannot. So, away I go. Hello there, welcome to my bathroom. So, while Walmart has everything I need, during the holiday season, I don't want to be there. I just don't. But anyways, I had to go because Walgreens had deodorant under lock and key for some reason. I could not find a peel-off clear base coat, clear mask, facial mask, and I didn't want to look for the. After that, I just didn't want to look for the baby Benadryl. So I went to Walmart. I braved it. It's raining out, and I don't like it. I said this already, but whatever. So what I'm doing with the Cleara, this is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Max Glow Peel Off Mask. You got to find a clear peel off mask. So I found one. It's like the only one Walmart had apparently. What I'm going to do, I saw on, I think it was a 5-Minute Crafts or something on one of those Facebook videos, that you can stain your lips whatever color, like a red color in this case I'm going to do. So you take your peel off base coat. I have a shot glass here. Put some of that in there. This dry is clear, but apparently is not currently clear. All right then. So I just did a little because I don't have like giant lips. So I took like a little dollop of that, and you take food coloring, and you put drops of food coloring in that. I did 10 drops. We're looking for really, really red. And I've got my lip brush thing here that I've never used. It looks kind of messed up. It's supposed to mix that up. Okay, mix. And when it's all mixed up, you brush it on your lips. Let it dry. When you peel it off, it's supposed to have stained your lips. This is really good red color, so I have hopes. So let me do that. Okay. Do not lick your lips. Don't put your lips together, I guess. It's difficult, so we have to wait for this to dry. I'm going to peel it off, and we'll see what happens. Good evening. So, I am doing the dishes, taking the dishes out. This dish here, I covered it in baking soda, but you can see by the looks of like right here and stuff, it doesn't look new anymore. So what I have learned, take your baking soda and your vinegar. This is the all-purpose solution of vinegar and dish soap. And you're gonna coat it like you did here with the vinegar. And you're just gonna spray it down with your dish soap and vinegar solution. Obviously it's gonna bubble because, you know, science. Give it a good saturation. Well, there you go. So you're just gonna let that sit overnight. Okay, while putting the dishes in the dishwasher, I have found another pan. So this one, it's kind of wet, but you see there, it's a little grimy looking, or whatever. It's rusty looking, whatever. So we're gonna sprinkle baking soda on that one as well. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Use a sifter if you want. See, I got this from the dollar store like during the summer, and now it's empty. So, you know, baking soda is not expensive. Then you take your all-purpose cleaner and you spray that one down. I don't know if there's an added bonus to having the dish soap in there. I don't think so. So I've seen on YouTube a lot of videos, people just use baking soda and vinegar. They don't have dish soap. I just happen to have it in a spray bottle handy like that. So that's what I'm using. If you get it on your countertop, it's no big deal because you're just cleaning your countertop. Dish soap and baking soda, dish soap and vinegar. It's a really good multi-level cleaner. Yes. So, that's it. I've emptied and reloaded my dishwasher. It's not fully loaded, so we'll just, leave it as the way it is right now or whatever. Yeah. So, bless you, JJ. I gave her some baby Benadryl. She's sneezing a lot less. So that seems to be helping. She's got allergies or something. Lots of dust around here. Alright, I'm going to finish up in here and I'm going to go sit back down. Good evening. It's like 6:30. I'm waiting on Norm to come. We're going to go see a movie. He should be here any minute. We're going to go see the... Oh crap. It's either The Haunting of Hannah Rose, The Possession of Hannah Rose, maybe it's Hannah Grace, or Rose Grace, or Hannah something. I honestly don't remember the name of the movie. I wonder if Alexa might know. I will ask her. Alexa, what movie came out yesterday?
Here is a film that released yesterday. The Possession of Hannah Grace.
Possession of Hannah Grace. The Possession of Hannah Grace. That's what I'm going to go see with Norm because that's what we like to do, see scary movies. It'll be great. We're going to go see at Flick's Brew House in Madison here where they have food because I'm hungry now. I ate the cookie and I had an egg. Did I have an egg? Yeah, and I had an egg this morning, and that's what I've eaten so far this morning. And I forgot my water. It's still upstairs. Well, anyways, oh, he's not here yet. I thought I saw lights. Alright, well, anyways, I gotta get going anyhow, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye! Are you done? You coming?
Well, it's a long line.
There's a long line.
Yeah. But not only that, they don't know if they can turn it off.
Really?
They don't know how it started.
They don't know how to turn it
off. They don't know if they can.
Oh, really?
Oh. This is the best movie ever.
That face.
Fire alarm. I've never had a fire alarm at a movie theater. This is exciting. Good evening. I should probably start. Good evening. When it actually starts to record.
Oh, yeah. I
was like this, thinking your headrest was you. Like, that's not you.
Oh, that is me. I thought the headrest was me too.
No. It was
I was like, wow, it's really dark back here.
Okay, so after the fire alarm went off, the suspensefulness of what was the movie called?
The
Possession of Hannah Grace kind of went away. It was still a good movie. I enjoyed it. I think we both enjoyed it. But fire alarms, man, it's ruining it.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going home or something. So talk to you later. Bye. Toodles.